Hi, this is Jen with Virtual PBX, and today we are going to review call logs on your Dash platform. Call logs are a great way to understand incoming and outgoing calls with your Virtual PBX business phone plan. You can access these call logs by logging into your Virtual PBX Dash account and clicking Call Logs. When downloading a call log via the dashboard call logs, you will get 25 columns and each row is one call. You can click the green icon next to the word download in order to download your call logs, and please reference the support guide on virtualpbx.com that reviews call logs to navigate the codes that correspond with the incoming and outgoing calls. Now let's take a look at call logs in action. I am going to create a custom date range. Then I'm going to click Filter, and here you can see just a base view of the metrics that we can see right here in the Dash platform. However, I want to take things a little bit further and download the file. After you hit download, you will receive an Excel spreadsheet in your downloads folder, and from here you can review some of the metrics in greater detail, such as sorting by the duration of the call or the hang up reason, or even if you want to sort by inbound and outbound calls. And there you have it. That is how you use call logs.